Well, it's a bit of a windy day out here today, so hopefully you can hear me, and sorry about the wind, but this is the finished product. So we got the chrome fork legs, we have the 21-inch DNA Specialty spoke rim, where the spokes are twisted with the black caps or nipples. You can see that the nipples are black on there. And we also had the end caps and the spacers that are black and white to kind of offset to go with the wheel. So it looks pretty good. I also changed the rear wheel as well, so I didn't take off the bag so you can see it, but you know, it's there. And while I was at it, I also changed the rear suspension. I went with one of the drag Specialties ones. I forget which one I did. So I lowered the bike another inch. So now I can, you know, flat foot it a little bit better. I'm about 5'7". But this is an 04 Road King. I also changed the head pipe from stock, because I had the stock pipe on there with the JackHammers, and it was alright, but it just seemed like it was bogging down some. So I went with the S&S Power Duals Pro Pipe. So it sounds a little bit better. So let's do a little cold startup so you can hear it. So I just kind of got it back from the shop. Still think I need to take it back to take a look at a couple things. The compression is around 10 to 5. But all in all, you know, it's okay. I kind of like how it all turned out. But again, I'll need to ride it for 500 to 1,000 miles and let everything kind of break in. I also switched the heads out to 103 Screaming Eagle heads. so it's definitely faster. But you know, just need to get some extra tweaking done as well. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how everything came out with the wheels and the chrome front end and calipers and the end caps and spacers. So let me know how you think it looks and sound. Let's just do another startup.